Let's talk about your assignments for week 6. The major assignment this week is your speech analysis essay number 1. To start off your writing process, I would suggest that you go back to the Dropbox where you submitted your speech analysis mini essay and review that essay as well as any comments that I left for you so that you have the process fresh on your mind and you are aware of any weaknesses or areas to improve. Then you'll need to go and select from one of the available speeches and speakers to analyze. I've included links to the video and the transcript for these speeches. Before you watch the speech, I would suggest that you get the list of key concept terms that I have included on the instruction page. For this essay, you will be able to use the key concept terms from chapters 3, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5. So have that list handy while you watch the speech to see which terms would apply. Then go through and watch the speech and take careful notes and then get ready to repeat the process. Although this time you'll write a full 5-paragraph essay analyzing 3 different key concept terms, one for each body paragraph. You'll also do the outside research that you use in your introduction just like you did before. Then to continue on the week, you will study chapter number 5 on the verbal aspect of communication. You'll enjoy this chapter, complete the quiz, you'll watch a 1.5-minute case study video, and you'll analyze some roommate drama. Don't forget to use those key concept terms in each answer for full credit. And you'll also head on over to the discussion board where we will be discussing different aspects of verbal communication this week. Select one topic for your thread, then revisit the board and select a different topic that other classmates have selected to make your replies. And then the last thing you need to do is look ahead to the informative speech, which is due the following week. So you want to see where you are at in the speech planning process. You should have already submitted your thesis last week to the discussion board and helped a classmate perform research, finding scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. So go back to that board and see if anyone helped you select a possible peer-reviewed scholarly journal source. You have to have 3 total sources on your works cited page and reference those in your speech. So this is a great week to do some research and gather up all those sources. One from the peer-reviewed article, and then the other 2 are your choice, whether you want to use interviews or other internet sources or books, that is up to you. You'll also need a visual aid for this speech, and I suggest that these be tangible objects that you can hold and show your audience during your speech. For the following speech, the persuasive essay, you will have to use a PowerPoint or slide presentation. So for this speech, I like to encourage my students to use tangible objects so that you have practice doing both types of visual aids. We'll talk more about the visual aid next week, but just as far as planning this week. So if you want to go ahead and type up your outline, it can be a keyword outline, and use the sample outline on your instruction page to work on that. And then after you gathered up your sources, you can type up the works cited page and go ahead and put that with your outline, and you can even submit it to the Dropbox this week if that is easier for you.